5 steps to file a lawsuit to collect business debt. You may have loaned money to a small business or sole proprietor. However, when it came time for the other party to pay the debt, that party may have paid you back less than the full amount or rebuffed the loan completely. At this point, you will have to consider filing a lawsuit to collect the business debt, starting with knowing the general steps to filing the lawsuit. Filing the complaint. The complaint is the legal document that officially starts the lawsuit. The complaint is a formal document, and you may want to work with an attorney to ensure that you meet all the legal requirements. In the complaint, you will be the plaintiff, and the debtor will be the defendant. Depending upon the nature of the loan, there may be multiple debtors and creditors. Serving the complaint. You will serve the complaint in summons to the defendant. The summons lets the defendant know that he or she is being sued and will give the basic information as to the timelines for filing a response. You should be aware that specific jurisdictions provide specific requirements for how the summons must be served, such as personally or via mail. Choosing the proper venue. You will need to consider where to file the lawsuit and which court is most appropriate. For example, debt involving real property likely should be filed in the jurisdiction where the property is located. Also, depending upon the amount at stake, you may want to consider filing the lawsuit in small claims court, superior court, or some other court. Awaiting the answer. The defendant will be afforded an opportunity to draft a response and argue why the lawsuit is meritless. The defendant typically must file this response within the given court timelines. Working with an experienced attorney. You may want to work with an experienced attorney from the very beginning of the lawsuit. An attorney can ensure that your complaint is properly filed and that all the legal steps are taken. Your attorney can also negotiate with the defendant and represent your interests in court. 5 steps to file a lawsuit to collect business debt.